Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we're going to be learning how to make this super cute strawberry coaster. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. You're going to start with your red yarn and you're going to make a magic wing. And then you're going to chain one. You're going to start by making half double crochets inside the magic ring. To do a half double crochet, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through. With 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all of them. You're going to be making a total of 3 half double crochets inside the magic ring. Once you're done, you're going to pull on the tail of the magic ring to tighten it, and that's your first row. To move on from one row to the next, you're going to chain one and turn your work around. For row 2, you're going to start by doing a half double crochet increase into that first stitch, meaning you're going to be doing 2 half double crochets into one stitch. So that's the first half double crochet, and then into that same stitch, you're going to make another one. So in the second stitch, you're going to do a normal half double crochet, and then into that final stitch, you're going to be doing a half double crochet increase, meaning 2 half double crochets in one stitch. By the end of row 2, you should have a total of 5 stitches. Then chain 1 and move to row 3. Similar to before, you're going to start by doing a half double crochet increase into that first stitch, followed by 3 half double crochets across, and then finally a half double crochet increase into that last stitch, so that by the end of row 3 you should have a total of 7 stitches. For row 4, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work around. Then you're going to be doing half double crochets all across, and by the end of the row, you should have a total of 7 stitches. From row 5 till row 7, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work around. Then you're going to do a half double crochet increase into that first stitch, then you'll half double crochet all across until you have one final stitch, and then into that last stitch you'll do your second half double crochet increase. By the end of row 7, you should have a total of 13 stitches. For row 8, you're going to chain 1, turn, and then do half double crochets all across, and by the end you should have a total of 13 stitches. From row 9 till row 11, you're going to be doing half double crochet increases at the first stitch and at the last stitch, and then in between you're going to be doing half double crochets all across, and by the end of row 11 you should have a total of 19 stitches. In row 12 and row 13, you're going to be doing half double crochets all across, and your stitch count is going to remain 19. In row 14, you're going to start by doing a decrease into the first 2 stitches. To do a half double crochet decrease, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Then you're gonna yarn over again, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull through. With 5 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all of them. And that's your first decrease. Then you're going to be doing half double crochets all across until you have 2 stitches remaining. Once you have 2 stitches remaining, you're going to do your decrease. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Then you're going to yarn over again, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. With 5 loops remaining on your hook, you're going to drop your red yarn and grab your green yarn. You're going to yarn over with the green yarn and pull it all the way through. That's how you finish your decrease, but at the same time you're going to do the color change to green. In row 15, we're going to be repeating row 14. So we're going to do a half double crochet decrease into the first 2 stitches, then half double crochet all across, and then when you have 2 stitches remaining, you're going to do your second decrease. And by the end of the row, you should have a total of 15 stitches. For row 16, we're going to divide it into 2 sections. One part we're going to be working in the back loops and then one part in the front loop. So starting with working in the back loops, you're going to start by doing a half double crochet decrease. To work in the back loops, insert your hook from the center towards the back of the stitch. Then you're going to do 6 half double crochets across. Once you're done, you're going to chain 4 to create the stem of the strawberry. Then you're going to skip the first chain and then start single crocheting across. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through with 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through both of them. You're going to do 3 single crochets across. Once you're done, you're going to slip stitch into the back loop of the stitch that you did the half double crochet in. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull all the way through. Then you're going to continue half double crocheting in the back loops only until you have 2 stitches remaining, where you're going to do a half double crochet decrease at the end of the row. And with that, the strawberry is done. We have the front loops. We're going to leave those for later because first we're going to be doing a border all around. So to start, you're going to chain 1 and then in each row you're going to do 1 single crochet. Once you reach the red section, you're going to be changing color while single crocheting. So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and pull through with 2 loops on your hook. You're going to drop your green color, grab your red color and pull it through to finish your single crochet. Continue to single crochet in each row until you reach the bottom of the strawberry. After single crocheting in all of the rows and once you reach the magic ring at the bottom, you're going to be doing 3 single crochets into the magic ring. Then you'll continue to single crochet across the rows until you reach the final row. Once you're done, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch of row 16 to close the round. Now that the strawberry is done, you're going to cut your yarn and finish off. So this is what our strawberry is looking like. We still have to stitch in the front loops. To do that, we're going to be turning our strawberry upside down. Grab your green yarn and tie a slip knot. Insert your hook into the front loop of the first stitch of row 16 and then pull your yarn through the loop. In the front loops of row 16, we're going to be crocheting the leaves. So we're going to start by chaining 5. Skip the first chain and then do a single crochet into the second chain. And then you're gonna do a half double crochet followed by a double crochet. To do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the chain, yarn over and pull through. With 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 and then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. And then into that final chain, you're going to do a triple crochet. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook and pull the yarn through. With 4 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Then you're going to skip 3 stitches from row 16 and into that 4th front loop, you're going to slip stitch. And that is officially your first leaf. Then you're going to do another slip stitch into the following front loop. And then you're going to be doing the leaf pattern again. So start by chaining 5 and then continue with the pattern. And with that, the strawberry coaster is almost done. All that is left is for us to stitch some strawberry seeds. So using a needle and a piece of yarn, I use here a light shade of yellow. Just stitch the seeds by going from the back to the front in the same place a few times. Stitch the seeds randomly on the coaster. I kind of spaced mine every 2 rows. And when stitching in the same row, I used 1 piece of yarn per row, and I would weave it in from the back while moving from one stitch to another so that the coaster looks neat on the back. And with that, the coaster is done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!